Number 50. Is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 the symbol for a macroscopic property or a microscopic property of an element? And then explain your answer. All right, so this is going all the way back to chapter 1, right? We got to remember what macroscopic versus microscopic means. A macroscopic property is something that you can see. So you can see with the naked eye, right? So it's any property that you could actually measure. So like if you're measuring mass or a volume or anything like that, that's a macroscopic property. Microscopic property is knowing that it's there, but unfortunately the human eye isn't powerful enough to see it. So you cannot see this. Now, what does the 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 thing represent, right? What is that? Well, that is an electron configuration. So it's basically how the electrons are positioned around an atom, right? Remember, there's a central nucleus, and then the electrons are located around the nucleus, right? And they're located in different shells, but it's how they're arranged. So this is technically like the electron cloud. So it's how they're arranged is what this symbolism is representing. Now, they're talking about electrons, and that's part of an atom, right? Can we see atoms? Can we see electrons with the naked eye? Absolutely not, right? We cannot see this. So, if the human eye can't see atoms and we can't see electrons, this would be a microscopic property. And that's it. It says explain your answer, but you could just say that basically because it's an electron configuration of a specific atom, which focuses on electrons, and since we cannot see electrons nor atoms with the human eye, it is a microscopic property. And that's it. This one was easy peasy. All right? If this helped you out, click the like button. Let me know in the comments what you thought. And if you want to help the channel out, please press the subscribe button. It will get the word out to tons more people who may need this. And we're almost close to 100 subscribers. And that's really, really, really super. Oh my God, I can't even believe it. It's crazy. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next question. Bye-bye.